15 Facts about Sukhoi Su-30 Mki. India's best fighter aircraft. The Sukhoi Su-30 Mki is a super maneuverable twin-jet air superiority fighter which is manufactured under license from Russia by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force. The constantly evolving Sukhoi Su-30 Mki has provided the Indian Air Force an upper hand in matters of air superiority. Here are some fascinating facts about this aircraft. 1. The Sukhoi Su-30 Mki is a super maneuverable aircraft, meaning it can do various maneuvers which are not possible from a pure aerodynamic angle. 2. It is powered by two engines, twin jet, which is not only more fuel efficient but also provides safety from a single engine failure. 3. Being an air superiority fighter, it allows IAF to enter into an enemy's airfield and form a complete dominance over it. 4. The Sukhoi Su-30 Mki is built by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited but was initially designed by Russia's Sukhoi Corporation. 5. The canard small forewing before the main wing design combined with vectoring nozzles give this aircraft more stability and maneuverability. 6. It is approximately 73 feet in length and 21 feet in height with a wingspan of 48 feet. 7. It is a two-crew aircraft which can reach a maximum speed of 2,100 km/h Mach 2.1. 8. Combat missions of 3.75 hours can be carried out by this aircraft which has a range of 3,000 km. 9. The integrated air refueling system of this jet allows it to have flights of up to 10 hours. 10. The Sukhoi Su-30 Mki has 12 hard points for missiles and bombs which can be further increased to 14 by using multiple ejector racks. 11. Fitted with BrahMos and Inerti cruise missiles, the Sukhoi Su-30 Mki increases IAF's striking capability. 12. Recently, the MKIs took part in the Garota 5 exercise in which they maneuvered with other aircrafts including the French Rafales. 13. Currently, India has 7 IAF bases with Su-30 MKIs which are expected to be joined by 6 other bases by 2017. 14. Unfortunately, IAF has lost 6 Su-30 MKIs in various crashes. 15. At present, IAF has 194 Sukhoi Su-30 MKIs with 72 more on order. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.